In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Zoom camera upside down. If your video is appearing upside down or flipped in Zoom, don't worry, this is usually a simple settings tweak and I'll walk you through it clearly. Start by opening the Zoom app on your laptop. You can do this from your desktop, your applications folder, or your taskbar. Any method is fine. Once Zoom is open, look for the settings menu. If you're on the home screen, you'll see a small gear icon, usually near the top right. If you're already in a meeting, click the arrow next to the video icon and choose Video Settings. Both paths take you to the same place. Inside Settings, select the Video section. This is where Zoom shows a live preview from your webcam, which makes it easy to see changes immediately. Take a quick look at your preview before making adjustments so you can compare. Next, find the option labeled Mirror My Video and turn it off. This control flips your image left to right, and it's designed so your on-screen view looks more natural to you, like looking in a mirror. Turning it off shows your image the way others see it. If you've been noticing text on your shirt or a background sign appearing backward, this switch will fix that. It won't rotate your video vertically, but it's important to confirm this setting first, because mirror and rotation issues can look similar at a glance. If your camera still looks upside down after turning off Mirror My Video, you'll need to rotate the camera using your webcam software. Every webcam brand handles this a bit differently, but the idea is the same. Open the companion app or control panel for your camera and look for options like rotation, orientation, or flip. Set the rotation to 0 degrees or choose normal. If you see options for 90, 180, or 270 degrees, select the one that turns your image right side up. Apply or save the change, then check Zoom's preview again to confirm it worked. A couple of extra tips as you adjust. Make changes while watching the Zoom preview so you can see the impact immediately. Remember that Mirror My Video only affects what you see. Other participants see your camera in the correct orientation by default. And if you use an external webcam, ensure it's securely mounted and not physically inverted, which can cause confusion with software rotation. That's it. Open Zoom, go to Settings, check the video preview, turn off Mirror My Video, and, if needed, rotate your camera in your webcam software. You should now be right side up and ready for your next call.